Yeah, it's
or like the airport or like wherever else.
this one's just extreme though. How you doing?
Hey, what's up?
Hey, I just got here, I called the hotline, but hey, I'm trying, I got in trouble last night, or this morning, because,
I'm gonna talk to you later about that.
man, cause I'm like, I said, cause I was waiting over here for you, and I went to peek and see, I came back through, and I said, man, I forgot about my phone being in my jacket. I said, look, man, I said, this is my first day. I'm thinking, so man, he gave me a hard time about it. I said,
I heard you gave a hard time too.
yeah, I did, cause I said, this is my first, I said, I just been here 10 hours. My jacket been sitting over the whole time, forgot my phone was in here. And I didn't think I had to go all the way back around, cause I just peeked my head. He said, once I crossed that line, I gotta, I'm like, for real?
Yeah.
So I didn't, so what, is that I mean, so is that?
So anytime you take your phone, anytime you go through security, you have to do all the security methods.
And which I didn't have no problem.
Phone,
I didn't have no problem with that. I forgot it was in, because I didn't have my jacket, it was in my thing. I sit over here waiting, because I thought you was coming right over.
Yeah, I was still in there with an associate, and then I went to the desk for a quick second to get something, and then came out. And then both of y'all were gone.
Yeah.
So I was like, okay.
Yeah, because I was like, I was trying to beat that traffic this morning, so I was.
Yeah.
So, yeah, but, so is that, what's the?
Yes, so if you take your phone, they have to look at it.
Okay.
And that's just to make sure that like it's not one from inside the building, because we still sell phones, like they come to us in certain parts, and then,
I told him I understood, but I thought okay, well, look, it's your first day. And like I told her, it's been in my pocket, hung it up in my jacket. I forgot it was in there, and I didn't know.
Yeah, I mean, your first offense for a phone, so like a cellular device, you get up to, I think, 4 times to bring one in. Your first time is just a warning, and it's your first day. First time is just a warning for a cell phone. Second time will be like a first written or something. It's like a behavioral.
Okay, well, it won't happen again. Like I said, it was just, I didn't realize me just peeking my head and they were gonna cause me to go all the way back through.
Yeah, so anytime you pass that line, it's going towards it, you have to go through security.
Okay. Will you be, are we able to stay for 7 today if we want to?
Yeah, just let Andrea know. AM that was in the meeting, which we can actually let her know. I can let her know.
Cause I'm gonna go ahead and do that the rest. I mean, so we can do it now. We don't have to do the 40 hours at first. We can do the.
Yeah, we can do this.
Okay, well, I'm gonna do that. Will y'all be here then in the morning when we get off? Will y'all be over here?
I'll be at the meeting. Yes.
Okay, cause
I won't be here at 7, but my coaches will.
Okay, I wanna try to go ahead and do that direct deposit thing.
Okay.
I tried to do it on my phone. It wouldn't let me do. I guess I have to be on the laptop or something. It wouldn't allow me to do it when I tried to do it from my phone.
Okay.
Okay, all right, let me go clock in. Okay,
all right, thank you.
I'm good, sir.
All right, appreciate it.
Sorry.
Are you good?
I didn't want to hear it.
I was gonna say you could have heard it. I'm gonna whoever get on the phone next go hear it. Look, I know this is a company, but y'all mess with my money. I don't care about none of that other stuff. I work for a lot of different other companies other than y'all. Y'all tripping. Y'all really is.
Yeah, security measures are there for a reason. I mean, right now, you're just badge suspended for pending investigation, and that's from our HR person. And she did say she will be contacting you as well about it.
Is it via tonight or in the morning?
I'm not sure. I think she has to look up all the stuff that goes with it, and then, because they gotta look at the footage too. And then check all about it, but she will be the one contacting you to let you know what's going on. And her name is Peggy Knight.
Yes, I needed to talk to her on a personal measure. And I don't know how I feel about the situation. Whether I wanted to take charges or not, because, being that I could be working for other companies. I'm only doing this for my mother. This is messing with my money. It's messing with I could have been doing a speech right now at the Cafe Coco. I'm taking time out for y'all. And it's a promise. Even though I'm a worker, I still got feelings. I still got emotions. I still got a past. Somebody go talk or somebody go be paid. I have my papers that say, I gotta, mental issue when it comes to doing, like PTSD.
So in order for that to
go back.
happen right then,
Yeah.
at the beginning when we do orientation, so we ask if anybody needs medical accommodations.
Right.
That would be a medical accommodation. So, I mean, if that happened, you could get, if you would have done that, you could have gotten a medical badge saying that you didn't want to remove clothes and that was part of your stuff. But since you didn't, and you don't have a badge right now, a medical badge, you have to do all the security procedures. You have to follow the security policy.
Right.
Just because of that.
Which is,
and since that wasn't in.
Yeah.
And we didn't know about it either. So.
Yeah, it's not really labeled a mental issue until it's right then. You feel me? But I'm capable of working.
Yeah.
I don't need a check or something like that. That's why I don't say I'm mentally. But I still have the aspect to be like, okay, it'll still come back in when I'm under pressure. Security is under pressure.
Yeah.
They pull you to the side. Like, come on.
Yeah. Well, I mean, they have to do it regardless if it's from, because, people forget to take their keys out of their pockets. People forget they got phones. Or gum wrappers can set it off, too. Like, if you got, like, a pack of gum in your pocket, and it's got, like, that silver lining,
Right.
Those go off. I've seen that happen plenty.
But my thing is, when you own a company, these are your people. If you don't trust your people, why you gotta work?
Well,
I mean, money is cool.
I see why they're doing it, because we do have a lot of people with theft here.
They do.
When I tell you they will steal any kind of way, it don't matter.
I know.
So that's the reason why they have the security procedures as well. And to make sure people don't bring, like, weapons and stuff in here, too.
Yeah.
Because that's happened.
It's a big company, but it's got steps they could take better than what they doing. Which is right, they deliver. But I don't work for like different company where you just want to work there. You want to volunteer there. Like compared to this, I feel like I don't have to do it.
Some places like that.
I don't know, I'm spoiled in a way. I'm spoiled when it comes to company. I ain't spoiled when it comes to like home or where I came from and what I've been through. But I talk to people, I get my way. Like, look, you might feel this way, but I feel this way. But
Yeah.
somebody don't have to win most of the time, be me.
Yeah. Do you want anything else?
No,
Need anything else?
I'm probably going to sleep.
Okay. That sounds good. I wish I could do that.
Nah.
All right, so just wait for the phone call, and her name is Peggy Knight, okay?
Did you email me the
So I can't email it to you because I have all of
What's a snippet?
basically, I just do a little cutout of the page.
Would it have like her email or no? Because it's personal info.
Yeah. This card though has. This is how you get a hold. Yeah. So this is how you get a hold to the HR department right here. See this right here?
Mm-hmm.
And then you just ask them to talk to Peggy Knight.
Cool. All right.
Well, let me know if you need anything. I'm sorry.
No, you good.
You have a good rest of the night.
You too.
Get some rest.
Yes. You know what? Fuck this. See this? You see them hoes? Fuck Amazon. Fuck all this shit. Bro, how dare you have me to spend my motherfucking gas? Oh, my gas, my time, my love, my everything to come out here, and then when I get here, because it's a simple probability of 5 minutes, 5 minutes to get checked out and stuff like that, you fired me. I didn't do nothing to y'all. I just didn't want to take off my shoes. That should be something personal. Y'all should respect that. But since I don't sign these papers and contracts and whatever, and y'all showed me this slide and that slide, y'all believe that, okay, we can fire you. And that it's a law. We can fire you. But you're not thinking about what that person, that human, that person that has feelings, what they've been going through, what they have went through, what they thrive on. You might hurt them at the worst feeling. Like, I don't want to take off anything for you. I'm not a stripper. I don't have to. Why would I? But instead, not because I didn't come to work on time, not because I wasn't friendly, not because I didn't follow directions, not because I stole your time, money, items, anything. You fired me because I went against you. I challenged you. And that's okay. It's fine to be challenged. That's why so many people either change their gender or so many other people call somebody by their opposite gender to make fun of them. It's a challenge. Everything is a challenge. It's just, whoo, Amazon. Y'all ain't worth it. Y'all some sharecropping hoes. That's what the fuck y'all be. Tell you one motherfucking thing, Miss Peggy, Miss whoever the fuck, you know what I'm saying, talking out of the bullshit because, oh, it got her info on it, you can't take a picture. Bitch, I don't give a damn. Hell. It's alright. It's recorded though. You got me messed up. Could have been at a game. Could have been at a hotel working. Still, I'm in this fuckery. Cause I tried, mom said you need a stable job. You need to do. The money is not in a stable job. The money is in moving. The money is in traveling. That's what all these rich people do. They travel. Cause if you stay in the same spot, you giving back to the locals. And the locals don't do nothing but serve you one good time. Get their little money for your meal, or your dinner, your movie, whatever you like to do locally. But it's cool though. So I'm gonna be talking to a lawyer, and something can happen, cause can't nothing happen unless you put effort to it. So it's gonna go good. Be thriving in that hoe.